Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame and mark the current support and resistance levels. Let us also look at the trend of the price action in dollar index. So Monday is going to be November 14th. And when we look at the economical events plan for Monday, we have medium impacting news plan for Swiss franc related currency pairs, followed by which we have medium impacting news on US dollar related currency pairs at the same time. Let us look at the dollar index price action. I'm in weekly time frame now. When we look at the price action of dollar index in weekly time frame, it was continuously on a bullish trend after testing the resistance level of 1114. We have noticed a price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. It is not a trend reversal, but it is a retracement. Let us analyze how low it is going to retrace. So I have drawn a bullish channel pattern over here. It was trading within this bullish channel pattern and it gave a breakout from this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern, and again it took support on this channel pattern resistance line. Now this will be acting as a support line for the future price action. So if the price action continues trending on the bearish side, this trend line is going to be acting as a support line. And when we look at the horizontal support based on the past price action, the area between 105 and 104 is going to be acting as a very strong support zone if the price action trends on the bearish side. And also we know from the past price action that this trend line has acted as a support. We have several supports acting at this level over here. So we can expect the price action to take support around this zone and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And only when the price action breaks this support zone, we can expect the further continuation of the bearish side retracement. But still you can notice that there is one more support line from the bullish channel pattern. Only when the price action breaks this support line also, we can expect the bearish side trend reversal to start in DXY in weekly time frame. Let us begin our gold analysis. I am in weekly time frame of gold now. When we look at the trend of the price action in weekly time frame, it was on a bullish trend, then it made a double top pattern. Then we have noticed a price action to break the major support level of 1680 and to trend on the bearish side, but it couldn't continue its bearish trend, and around the level of 1614 we have noticed a price action to take support and to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And when we draw a channel pattern to understand the current trend of the price action, we can notice that the price action has broken this resistance line from the past price action. So it is a confirmation on the continuation of the bullish side retracement. Again we have one more resistance line over here which it has to break in order to continue further on the bullish side retracement in weekly time frame. Let us analyze how far the bullish trend is going to continue. So from the past price action we know that this level of 1807 had acted as a resistance level when the price tried to go on a bullish side retracement. After testing this level, we have noticed a price to trend on the bearish side and again to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and we have noticed this trend line from the past price action to act as a resistance level. After retracing to the same level where it started its bullish side retracement, we have noticed a price action to break this resistance line and to trend on the bullish side. So if the bullish side retracement continues also, we can expect this level to be acting as a resistance level for the future price action. And you can clearly notice that it is trying to complete double bottom pattern. So once the price action reaches this zone between 1807 to 1800, we can expect the bounce back on the bearish side retracement. But during the bearish side retracement also, it has to break this trend line or the support line from the past price action in order to continue its bearish side retracement. So from the past price action we can understand that this area between 1790 to 1807 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance zone for the future price action in weekly time frame. Let us look at the price action in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame. In daily time frame also, current trend of the price action is in a bullish trend. Wait for the price action to break this trend line or support line if you want to take trades on the bearish side, and wait for the price action to break this resistance zone if you want to freshly enter into the bullish side trade. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1764 and resistance level of 1793, and if the price action breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be the trend line from the bullish channel pattern of the weekly time frame, and if it breaks this support level, next level of support is going to be 1730, 1703 and 1680. And if the price action breaks this resistance level between 1793 to 1807, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in daily time frame also. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, I'm drawing a trend line or a support line to understand the trend of the price action. So based on this trend line or support line, we can notice that the price action is still trending on a bullish trend. And we know from the higher time frame that this area between 1807 to 1793 is going to be acting as a very strong resistance zone. Wait for the price action to break this resistance zone if you want to take trades on the bullish side trend, or wait for the price action to bounce back and to break this trend line or support line if you want to take trades on the bearish side. Again, we have the very strong trend line or support line from the weekly time frame, and only when the price action breaks this support line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame also. And as long as the price action is trading above this trend line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 4 hours time frame also. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we have noticed the price to trend on the bullish side, then to consolidate, then to trend on the bullish side and to consolidate. Now currently we are noticing the price action to trend on the bullish side without consolidation. And when we draw a resistance line to understand the current trend of the price action. So based on this trend line or resistance line, we can still notice that the price action is trending on a bullish side, finding resistance, again bouncing back, again going on a bullish side retracement. Wait for the price action to properly bounce back on a bearish side retracement, and if the price action breaks the higher time frame support line, it is a confirmation that it is on a bearish side retracement. But still we have the 4 hours time frame trend line or the support line where it has to break in order to continue further on the bearish side retracement. And as long as the price action is trading within this support line from the 4 hours time frame and the resistance line from the hourly time frame, we can expect the bullish side trend to continue in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1773 and support level of 1764. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1773, we can expect the bullish trend to continue, and next level of resistance is going to be around 1793 to 1790. And only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1764, next level of support is going to be around 1758, 1746, 1736, 1730, 1723, 1714 and 1700. And currently the price action is testing this resistance line from the hourly time frame. Soon we can expect the retracement on the bearish side. So wait for the price action to break this support line from the 4 hours time frame if you want to take trades on the bearish side, or wait for the price action to bounce back from this support line from the 4 hours time frame or the weekly time frame support line in order to take trades on the bullish side retracement. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. In 30 minutes time frame also we have noticed a price action to give breakout from this weekly time frame resistance line and continue trending on the bullish side trend. Again I'm going to draw a support line to understand the current trend of the price action for 30 minutes time frame. So from this trend line we can understand that it is trading between a bullish channel pattern. So wait for it to break this support line if you want to take trades on the bearish side, and as long as the price action is trading within this support line and the resistance line between hourly time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1770 and support level of 1764. And if the price action breaks this resistance level of 1770, next level of resistance is going to be around 1778 and 1790. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1764, next level of support is going to be around 1758, 1749, 1738 and 1729 or 30. And even if the price action breaks this support level, we have higher time frame support levels running over here. Only when the price action breaks this support level, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start in 30 minutes time frame also. Till then we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.